Imagine you're sending a life-changing amount of money. You look at the destination. It's a string of 100 random characters. Your heart races. You check the first 5 digits, the last 5, and you hit send. But in that split second, a cold realization hits you. Was it a lowercase l or a number 1? This is the address anxiety we've lived with for years. Even now, in 2026, the most common way people lose their hard-earned assets isn't through a high-tech hack. It's through a simple human mistake. A copy-paste error, a momentary lapse in focus. In the world of blockchain, there is no undo button. For decades, we've used names to navigate the online world. We don't type IP addresses like 172.217.1.1 to find information. We type google.com. That was Web 2.0. Enter Web 3.0. We don't identify ourselves to friends by our social security numbers. We use our names. Why should your financial identity be any different? As the Cardano ecosystem has matured into 2026, the community has realized that for mass adoption to work, the technology must adapt to us, not the other way around. Enter the ADA handle. It's more than just a vanity plate for your wallet. It is a fundamental shift in how we approach on-chain security. The major benefit of an ADA handle is simple: certainty. By replacing a random, confusing string of numbers with a unique, human-readable name, you effectively eliminate the looks close enough scam. Hackers often use address poisoning, where they send a tiny amount of ADA to your wallet from an address that mimics yours, sharing the same start and end characters. If you copy from your history without looking, your funds are gone. But an ADA handle is a unique NFT secured on the Cardano ledger. It resides in your wallet and protects your wallet. You can't fake a handle that looks like yours. When you see your unique name, you know with 100% certainty where that money is going. True security isn't a product you buy. It's a habit you cultivate. It starts with owning your digital space. When you use a human-readable identity, you are participating in your own defense. You are removing the friction that leads to errors. In 2026, being proactive means simplifying your workflow so that mistakes become almost impossible to make. Your ADA handle acts as your digital passport across the entire Cardano metaverse, from DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces. It ensures that every time you interact with the blockchain, you're doing so with a clear head and a verified, safe, and memorable destination. Don't be a victim of the long string era. The tools to protect yourself are here, and they are easier to use than ever. Educate yourself on the risks, stay skeptical of unknown addresses, and most importantly, claim your identity. Whether you want a rare, premium, or standard ADA handle, the time to secure your digital footprint is now. Visit AdaWalletName.com today. Name your wallet, secure your future, and join the thousands of users who have traded confusion for confidence.